Hey guys, Harry here. Today I'm going to be showing you Call of Duty Ghosts Prestige Edition for PS3. So let's go ahead. As you can see, I have the package in here. It was 100, 200 or $142 at EB, but JB didn't have it, so we went to EB. Right, so let's open this bad boy up. Okay, opening the thing up. There's a little thing here. As you can see, this is what is included. You get the collectible steelbook case, paracord strap, tactical camera, season pass, free fall, bonus collector's edition digital content. And yeah, I got this yesterday for my birthday on the last of Feb, the 28th, and this is great. Ooh, this is a bad boy, and I've already played it, and it's real cool and good it is. So here in that, as you can see, I'm gonna get stuff out. So first we're gonna look at this, and yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see what, because the surface isn't very good. So anyways, let's get on with it. So this is PS3 edition. It is, as you can see, it's very collectible. However, I managed to get it. But this is just my birthday video, I guess. I'll just call this one my Call of Duty Ghosts PS3, like Call of Duty Ghost Prestige Edition PS3 unboxing. Anyways, so I'll show you the code. We have the season pass. I've already entered the code, so bonus team leader pack. Cool. We have the bonus digital content, the free fall bonus map, player patch, the clan thing, the play card, official soundtrack, and the play background. As you can see, it's oh no, I've already entered the code, so don't even try. There's a little PS4 booklet in there. I don't know why I don't use this and not for PS4. There's Destiny. There's a little Destiny thing from Bungie. That guy in the cult looks like the hell. The guy in the cult looks like Halo 5 Master Chief. If you did not see the Halo 5 trailer, then you better see it now. Type up the Halo 5 trailer, Halo 5, and you'll find the trailer. So here's the little book thing. Anyways, so you saw the case, and of course it doesn't say Prestige Edition. Time to see the disc. Pretty darn cool. Look at that reflection, see that? That's my SWAT Force poster. As you can see, it's a real nice disc, and actually, as you can see, I have one part there of the art, and you have another. On the side, it says Call of Duty Ghosts. Anyways, put this back in. Oh yeah, I didn't show you, did I? Literally the art again. This is the art again. That was on the cover. But yeah, as you can see, I've been playing it in the morning, so now let's get on to this little watch type of strap thing. As you can see, it's very collectible in the Call of Duty series. See, you have the ghost symbol there. Let's unbox it. Where do I unbox it again? Yeah. I'm not ripping it. I'm just opening the little thingy. Take this out so you can see. I've already put it together. So. And now I'm gonna let these get a little closer. I am king of cod ghosts. No. As you can see, very nice there. A pancake. So that's the little thingy majiggy there. Put that back in. Now let's talk about Call of Duty Ghosts 2 while I'm doing this. So basically, there will be a Call of Duty Ghosts 2, but though the company is thinking about it, they haven't really thought about it yet. And I'd like it if they mix Call of Duty Zombies and Extinction together. And if you haven't heard of that Japanese Call of Duty game, Call of Duty Online, it's free online to play a game. It's real good. It has all the Call of Duty games mixed up, and it has cyborg zombies, but it might have Extinction. So there it is, back in its box. Alright, now on to the tactical camera. Now this is special because you never want to lose it, so go ahead. Who's ready? I am. The little USB thing, as you can see, is in the laptop right now. So this is what we get. I'll get parts out for you. We get the camera, of course. You can also open this up, I believe. Yeah, as you can see there. And then there's this little light to turn it on. Hold this button down for 5 seconds to turn it off. Wait, didn't do it properly. There we go. So this is actually cool, and then we have like these little pieces here that we can slide under here like so. This out of there. And there's actually a strap that you can put inside these little peg holes here, and then you can put it on your wrist, like, and if you want it facing in front of you, you go like that, you know. Or you could actually have it on your bike helmet like that, or like that. And of course, I'm a spy, so you might want to look out for that camera. Oh, it's cameraman. Pretty much all of the other pieces are the same. Oh wait, what's this? This is the flat one that can just make it stand like this. See what that gold symbol is? Yeah, what that gold symbol is? Yeah. Pretty darn cool, isn't it? And then you just slide it off to get it off. And whatever this thing is. But of course you do get the strap, which I will maintain later throughout the video maybe. The strap is in here, like right here, and then you have like a little cord and that little plastic looking thing here, see? And it has the Call of Duty Ghosts logo. As you can see, and also on the front it has it. So that's pretty much it for it, but I will do some gameplay for Call of Duty Ghosts if I do have time, because we're going on a boat today, so yeah. Hurry up. Thanks for watching, and remember, leave a like and a subscribe. Hurry up. Beep bop.